Welcome guys, today I'll show this one is now Samsung SM-M105GDS or Samsung M10. So how to remove back cover. See this video and remove back cover and open this phone. At first I unplug this SIM ejector. And I remove open back cover. Use any steel type, anything. And I unplug. See now, fully separate back cover, and unplug this all screw. See now, and I unplug this all screw and I separate body. See now, and I disassembling this, and I unplug this remote, unplug, and battery unplug, and I finally unplug this screw, and I unplug this power remote, and unplug this antenna cable, unplug this antenna cable, and finally disassembling this motherboard. And I finally separate this motherboard, and I unplug this speaker and antenna screw. Unplug this screw and unplug this antenna line, and unplug this charging base and microphone noise. Finally fully disassembling this phone. See now, fully disassembling this phone. So guys, thank you, bye bye.